fucked up again, laying that pipe to that little bitch Tiffany. But she still gon' ride cause she love me. Said if it happen again, shit gon' get ugly. Put her on the countertop, ate her like a souffle. Anytime we argue, this is how we do things.